Might be a piece of junk, but it still gets the job done. Hello, my YouTube friends. It's good old deer season. I'm walking down, show you. I just got some grass mowed. Do a little bit of tree trimming. See the deer feeder a little bit better. I bought a deer blind, $220 on this deer blind. And it's made by Rhino blinds. Rhino blind 500. And it's a 4-person, it says 4-person plus blind. So let me show you here in a minute. Whenever I get it hooked up. Should be a 1-person hookup. We'll see. It's a Rhino blinds. Rhino 500. The height. Well, here it is all right here if you want to read it. 4-person capacity, real tree edge with brush straps. So here it is. That's what it's going to look like when you open up the box. It's got a strap. Here's the side. Got a little pouch. And you got nothing in there. Where's the zipper? Oh, it's up here. Fits in here kind of like a tent. That's what it looks like. All right. So it's supposed to be 1 person pop out. We'll see. There's some other stuff. Thank you for choosing Rhino blinds. Attention, in order to activate your warranty, you must register at rhinoblinds.com warranty. It gives you instructions. That's the takedown. That's the setup. Move your Rhino blind out of the bag and face the hubs towards you. Select 2 rods. Anyways, it needs instructions. The deer blind. So that's the deer blind. As you can see, it is quite big enough for 4 people. Doors, I don't know if I'm quite a fan of the doors. You know, I do like the zip up doors, but you can see it's got the buckle, and in here it's got the buckle. I guess this is what they call the bush straps. Let me get them off real quick and I'll show you what I'm talking about. I think this is what they're talking about, the bush straps. You know, they hook up to the pole. Some people might like them, but I mean, it's not bad. I guess it could be a little bit quieter going in and out. Stepping inside, you got your Rhino branding, Rhino blind. You got your deals right here, your hooks where you can hook up. And then these are Velcro, and they go all the way down like a triangle. Same thing, all the windows are Velcro. Same thing. And I put that one up, that's another window and another window. But this is quite enough. I'd say, you know, 4 people plus. I agree. It's quite big enough. $220. You can see my other blind that I bought. It was a pop-up blind a couple of years ago. I bought it from Academy, and it works good. It's just it's hard, easy to pop up, but when it came to, you know, popping it back down, it turned out to be a pain. This one here, once you get it all figured out, it's not too bad. What you do is pull the top at first, then you go around all 4 corners and you pop them out. And one person can do it, but of course it's easier with 2 people. Pop that out, then you want to get on the inside and push up. And then it's got stakes on all 4 corners. It gets pretty windy up here, so we'll see how that works out. Here's a pocket. That's nice. And I guess, now looking at it, here's a pocket right here. So there's your Rhino blind 500. Let me know what you guys think. It is hunting season on Saturday, and I'm looking forward to it. You can see my view of a deer feeder, which is right out there. I'll be trimming some trees over here, get some better sight. Setting it up a week early to get the scent off. Anyways, Rhino blind 500. Let me know what you think. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. If you are a subscriber, I appreciate all my subscribers. I don't upload on here a whole lot, but I do upload when I get a chance. But if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and whatever you can do to share the video. And to all you hunters, have a good hunting season. I'm not much of a yee guy, but